this is a really fascinating topic to actually speak about further. And I'm going to use Archangel Michael as an example. So, Archangel Michael rules the root field. And it's not because he rules that center, but again, these are collective timelines where we've actually stabilized that into the field through that reinforced belief system, essentially. So, we're talking about collective timelines that are subject to this universe that we exist in. And this could be us working through vibrations or emotions like protection, alchemizing, binding thought forms that have kept us bound. So he represents a layer of protection where we're kind of like neutralizing our relationship with the physical material plane and remembering ourselves as a divine being in many ways. You know, in the highest service, it's for us to feel safe, secure, and stable in our relationship with the material physical realm, because the root chakra represents all things physical and ancestral. So he helps somebody, for example, transform their relationship with fear, reminding us that we're the awareness behind the localized octave or limited octave of ourself that does the best with the level of awareness that it has. So he helps us bring safety back into the body when we're observing inherited patterns. And the further that we weave that down this construct, we see that that has been societal, it's been ancestral programming, engineering, where we have adopted a distorted relationship with the physical material plane, in which we are here and safe and stable within our body to co-create an experience, but we are not bound or limited by the physical plane. We are simply the timeless consciousness, utilizing this body as a conduit, as a vehicle to be able to explore this terrestrial plane as a being that has celestial origins. And this is what I mean by collective timelines, because it's something that we have all essentially contributed towards, because we have over time actually co-created these shared pathways where we would come back or return to this archetype when we're moving through themes of fear or protection that we feel like we're needing. And really that protection is just our awareness in our interconnectedness to all things, because a lower expression of the root chakra could be judgment of ourselves or those in the world around us that then act as a filter of separation instead of tuning into our interconnectedness to all things. And this is where consciousness learns to move or self-organize itself in this fluid ecosystem, because this would explain reasons why we feel really guided by or connected to a very specific spirit guide or archangel or entity or deity at a particular time in our journey or our life. But then we also may evolve into different archetypal expressions that will self-organize and begin to emerge depending on the frequency that we're moving through.